Hi, in this part we are going to create 7 color style for our landing page. So let's head and pick the rectangle tool, hold shift, click and drag to draw a perfect box. It will be 80 by 80 size. Let's give it a name of primary color 1. This box will hold the color of our primary color. Let's go to the fill section, select this color box and drag the slide to a blue hue. And let's go and pick a blue color. That will do it. Close the color picker. Next, duplicate this box. Command V, Command C plus Command V. Click and drag. This will be our secondary color. Secondary color 1. The purple color. Let's move the slide to a purple hue. Okay, move it to the bottom. So we will have a darker purple. Okay. Let's duplicate this again. It will be our third color, secondary color 2, and it will be a much darker purple. Okay, let's Command C, Command V to duplicate and create our gradient color. Let's go to the fill section, hit linear. The first color will be a pink one. Okay, let me change this to diagonal. Okay, it will be pink. This increase the opacity to 100% and it will be a blue hue. Okay, lighter blue. Okay, that's great. Let's duplicate this again and it will be for our dark background color. We'll set this to a black hue, a completely black color. Command C and Command V. Name this to light text color. This will be our text color and it will be white. And the last one, which is our muted text color, the light to muted, and it will be light gray. Okay, that's great. Now let's select all our color boxes and go to resource. And here in the styler plugin, hit run and generate styles. Here 7 styles has been created. Let's click and here we are. We have all our color style created and ready to be used. That's it for this part. Next, we are going to create the grid styles, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next part.